Hi everyone, my name is Oxygen James P. Fabregas. I'm from 11 Skinner and I'm 16 years old. And the title of my poetry is Dream of Butterfly. Your eyes tell me you love me. I felt in your eyes that you love me. It's like a sunset, it's all natural beauty, making me feel special around you. Your eyes is like a butterfly, making it shiny and beautiful. Getting loved by you is like a dream full of hopes and love. Seeing you every day keep me seeing butterfly. Just a smile and my world is full of butterfly. Butterfly is attracted by the bright flower. Like me, I'm attracted to you because you're a bright flower like you. Attract a butterfly like me. Butterfly is a symbol of good luck. A butterfly is a great at telling time and track the position of the sun. Now, if I ever lose you, I can track you and tell you who you are by just looking at you. Butterfly attracted by bright flower, and flower need them. Like both of us, we need each other to keep our life. Now, butterfly, fly away, but may I stay in your side to accompany you and your journey. A little butterfly dreams is you.